To start things off, you're going to need some paper towels, some water, some eyeshadow, some brushes. So then you'll want to wet your brush and wipe it all around your paint so you pick up plenty of colour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix some orange and some brown to make a nice gingerbread colour. But to start off, I'm going to move my hair out of the way and rock that Sonic look. Now I'm going to take my wet brush and put it in the white paint. I'm going to paint the top and bottom of the mask. Just paint across the top 2/3 of your forehead and follow your jawline, then connect the two at either side. Then loosely draw on the outline of where you want these little icing droplets. Do the same on the bottom and the sides. Squiggles work just as well as little blobs. Start to draw a frowny face and then make it a little bit wider. Try not to goof out like I did. Then just follow your orbit. And cover in the blank. You will also want to colour your eyelashes. Just be very, very careful that you don't get the paint in your eye. It's painful, it's not good for you, try to avoid that. So what I try to do here is glue my eyebrows down. I should have done that before painting around my eye socket. I then also put some light brown orangey paint over my eyebrows. It didn't really do very much, so I don't recommend doing this part. Then just layer on that orangey, gingery brown colour all over your face. I wasn't happy with this colour, it looked too rich, too orange, so I added a little bit of brown to the colour and continued. You don't have to be precise at this point, just layer it on and we can fix any mistakes later. It does look really, really streaky, but it changes when it's drying. And I had some difficulty trying to get the plastic wrap off my blue paint, but hopefully you do a better job than I did. So again, wet your brush, rub it around the paint. So when you've got that thick blue paint on your brush, you want to draw on your eyebrows. Try to make them symmetrical, it's not that important, this is a gingerbread man. Then you want to take a smaller brush with the orangey brown gingery paint and precisely go around your white outline for your mask and your eyes. I still wasn't happy with the shade of orange, so I got some yellow paint and a sponge. I dampened the sponge and rubbed it all over the yellow paint, then I dabbed it all over my face and smudged it into the existing orange. I quite like how this turned out. I still could have gone a little bit lighter, but I liked it in the end. Now you can touch up your face paint as you're going, or you can wait till the end. I started applying the red outline to my lips, but it didn't go on very well because this was a new paint palette, so I just did it a few more times and it turned out okay. I then touched up with white paint. So then what I decided to do was get a very, very thin, precise brush and add a couple of yellow, orange, brown specks to my face to make it look like spices in the gingerbread. as this gingerbread is lovely and sweet and you want plenty of sugar, I also added some little white specks. So me being me, I had more trouble trying to open the eyeshadow palette. I decided to add a highlight to my nose. I didn't really like how this turned out, so you can skip that part. I then used a light brown eyeshadow to go around my eyes and around the outside of the orange, just to get that crispy, toasty gingerbread look. I then decided to put the light brown around the outside of the mask so that you can see it's a mask, make it 3D so it doesn't look like it is part of my face, it's just stuck on there real good. I then also used the same colour to go around the red outline of my lips. This is supposed to be icing, it is 3D, it is not flat. I did the same around my eyebrows and I also added a dark blue colour to make them look 3D and make them kind of pop. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed this little face paint. Remember to leave a like if you did and subscribe to see more. And I will see you next time. Bye!